Good morning, student. Myself Kehar Singh from Jayatri Academy. Today we'll discuss class 9th subject SST Economics chapter 2nd Pupil as a resource. How can we say that pupil as a resource? When people are capable for the growth of a country, when people have been take knowledge, ability and different types of other factors, those have been make a pupil to as a capital or a human capital, then we say that a particular pupil is a resource. So people who are part of the workforce are called human resource. By contributing a productivity, the human resource played a significant role in the economy of a country. So people are saying a human resource when people have been different types of knowledge, ability and different types of role will be placed to the productivity of a country will be increased by the particular pupil involvement. So pupil as a resource here, when people have been take knowledge, education, quality, thereafter a particular pupil is called human resource, and this particular things people have been more helpful for the productivity will be increased. People, with the help of the pupil, the productivity will be more and more, and pupil plays an asset of a country, a valuable thing of a country, and the particular economic growth of a country will be depend on a particular pupil. And if the people have been take the better effort for the growth of a country, thereafter the particular country will be grow more and more. So investment in human capital yield a return like investment in other resources. A particular human capital make for different types of sources, and the return will be coming when the particular person have been more capable for the growth of a country. Investment in human capital is done through education, training and healthcare. The parents, those have been invested money to the particular student and their health care and their education and different types of training, and that particular person have been make a particular better involvement of a country. So a person with better education usually earn better than an uneducated person. Uneducated person not concentrate for the education, that's why he suffer. Not a particular person family suffer, the particular generation will be suffer, and the country also will be suffer for the particular uneducation's problems. Moreover, a healthy person is more productive than an unhealthy person. Healthy person have been plays very important role, and healthy person make a developing factor of a particular country. So human capital investment is through education, training and healthcare, and health person more productivity in comparison to unhealthy person. So educated parents understand the value of education, and educated person know if the child will not educated, thereafter their future will be not secure. And educated person have been also take care of the particular child, their nutritious and their growth of body, and the mental ability will be increased. So educated people concentrate the invest child education, they invest more and more amount of education, because though they know the health is wealth, and if the education will be, if the amount of money will be invested on the education, there that will be returned in their career buildings, and their future will be secure. So future will be more and more secure of the child for educated people think that. And educated people are know that if we want to make better human capital, thereafter today we must be invest that particular amount. And healthcare and nutrition, if the health is not good of a student, thereafter the student cannot do better in their life and not for a country. So uneducated parents are unable to invest. Uneducated parents think that education is not good and education not play important role for a particular country or growth, or that's why he not do more and more efforts better. So uneducated parents not invest on education, thereafter that that particular country suffer for that types of problem. So not health care of a child, uneducated parents not take care of health, and the coming generation will be poor, and it is the bad impact of the society. So uneducated parents have been not take care of their health and not take care of their education, and that's why the particular generation is poor and it is very harmful for a country. Okay, thank you very much.